Does it look like I am? The fearless leader over there.
The fearless leader of the architectural class, Mr. Smith, watches intelligently books on his computer. Nobody knows what he's doing. He can't see from the morning.
Put on your hat. Put on the hat. You have to put on the hat.
Look, as Mr. Smith looks severely pissed off and you know what he's thinking? He just wants to get up and watch the camera.
This is a stacked class. We got 4 people.
Well, it's an AP class. AutoCAD wizard right here.
Multitasking.
Oh, he's on the move. He's gonna punch me. No!